All right, now we're gonna break down the tie line and show you how quick and easy it is to break it down. We're just gonna release the horses with the slip knots. And all you gotta do is when you wanna release it, come here. You got the releaser here, you put it in there, pop it, always pull it down where it gets right there where it's easy to wrap up, and then I'll just start wrapping it up. And it literally takes about the same amount of time or less. Take it down. All one piece. It's just that easy. The Quick Draw Tie Line, quickdrawtieline.com. Watch for upcoming more videos and visit us on our website. And as always, have a safe and happy trail.